You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words once and for all correctly. The top word here is pronounced as chorale. They're essentially pretty much the same thing. They have a slightly different meaning. But the top word is a chorale. The bottom word is a chorus, the part of a song which is repeated, the chorus. Now the chorale is an hymn, also a choir. A chorale, it comes from French chorale. Chorale versus chorus. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.